So here in this video we are going to see the power generation of the solar panels, and I will try to fix the low current issue as I brought this panel 6 years ago. The plastic layer got yellowish, hence its efficiency reduced, which is normal for the solar panels. Generally, solar panels degrades the efficiency of average 2% a year. There are four main factors contribute to normal degradation: excess heat, thermal cycling. Thermal cycling means the frequent ups and downs of the temperature, the humidity freeze, ultraviolet exposure. So it's generating around 13 volt. Let's measure the current. It shows no current. It is because with time the contact between the bus bars loses. Due to this leakage, we get less or no current. The solution is to press the panel to connect the loose contacts. After doing so, it starts showing the current. It's generating around 110 milliamps. So overall, it's generating around 1.43 watt of electricity. Now let's check the power of this relatively small solar panel. It's generating around 5 volt DC. And 90 milliamps of current. Hence we got 0.45 watt, around half an watt, 3 times less than the bigger one. It can run a small DC motor, and with the bigger panel it rotates even faster. I tried to run a bigger gear motor, but it's not working as it needs. At least 200 milliamps needed to run this geared motor. But this small motor needs only 100 milliamps to run, and that's why it runs with both the solar panels. Okay, hope you like this video and sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.